你爱我，我爱你，我是冰沙加咪。你爱我，我爱你，我是冰沙加咪咪。
어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 고이 이불 속에서 고이는 언제나 너에게 고이.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Okay guys, here I will make a simple makeup tutorial for beginners. Check it out.
Okay guys, before makeup, don't forget skin preparation. Well, I'm already doing skin preparation here, so I want to use sunscreen first. Let's blend until smooth. Guys, then we use primer so that our makeup stays put. Then we use a cushion because this is simple makeup. We use a cushion. Then we use compact powder. Wait a minute, it looks like very delicious, guys. Don't forget the eyebrows, guys. We carve them with an eyebrow pencil according to the portion that shows edge of our eyebrows. Well, here we use blush on. Let's flatten it according to taste. It seems like it doesn't need to be thick. Then eyeshadow. So here we are using a base with a more nude color. Then use a more striking color in the V part of the eye. Don't forget to apply it under your eyes so your eyes look sharper. So don't forget the eggshell. Don't make the eggshell too flashy so it looks more natural. Then for the contour nose to make it look sharper, guys. So here, let's color our eyelashes first. Then to make my eyes more curvy, I use a stick and a lighter. Then we apply mascara thoroughly, right and left. Don't forget to use mascara on your lower eyelashes, guys, to make them look fresh. Then we move on to the right and left eyeliner. Before using lip gloss, don't forget to use lip balm so that your lips look moist. Then use a more nude ombre base. Then we use the ombre lip with a more vibrant color to make it look fresh. Ta-da guys! Simple makeup is ready. This can be used on campus and also go play with thirsty guys. Just stop here and see you again.
우린 마치 영원한 사랑을 하는 것 같아.